Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to VIVO V15 Pro. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, tap on OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on VIVO, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to your Realme. You can finally use all of those categories from the top to pick files that you wish to send. You can also just click on the chosen one. I will go with maybe those two. Wherever you decide, when you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on VIVO. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!